We're 2.5 kilometers in. I just climbed this mega hill, which was like forever. Very long hill. So kind of a aggressive way to get into it. Morgan's back there. Apparently my bike is easier to climb, so he says. So just waiting for him to catch up. How's that?
That's fucking steep.
It just never ended.
I definitely need different gearing.
Yeah, he needs different gearing, or I'm just faster.
You're a lot more sweatier too.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is way better than the hill has ended. I don't know if you could see them in the video, but there's like tons of butterflies down this road, and they're just flying all around and in your face. It's very, very magical. And the flowers. So many flowers and butterflies. Just a very nice road.
On the mother loaded strawberries. Not that one. Oh my god. Oh, they're good.
We set up our camp, and then we were getting changed to go back to the sheep falls down here, down the road, and these dark clouds came in. It started to get really dark, and now it's raining. So hopefully we don't get too wet like our other stuff we're wearing. But Heather's all bundled up now. But we're still gonna go down to the falls here and try to go swimming, and then hopefully that this business passes. Thank you.
No, you probably would get sick. I think when I got so sick in Honduras was because we went swimming in this like local swimming pool, and we're like swimming.
Well, we're just settling in for the night. We went for a little bike ride around to the end of the road, and
To Junction Creek, and then turned around and went to Bluerock Creek.
yeah, there's some cool little little creek with a little like slot canyon kind of thing going on, and yeah, we just don't really have anything else to do, and it's 9:30, so I think we're just gonna crawl into bed and actually get a decent night's sleep, hopefully.
Yeah.
So
We want to get up. I want to get up early. Catch some sunrise.
Yeah, but
Probably won't.
we'll see what happens. So we will see you in the morning.
Good morning. We had a very chill, quiet morning. Just made some coffee, some lovely instant coffee, and some oatmeal with protein powder, which I forgot to mix up, and Morgan got all the protein powder, but my oatmeal was lovely. And now we're just kind of packing up, and we're gonna go down to the river for a nice morning swim and cold dip to wake up and just refresh. And then, yeah, then we're gonna finish packing up and then head back to the car.
I see gold in the air, in the promise in the streets. I see love in our hearts, futures in our dreams. It's a tunnel kind of vision, like our...
Okay, so it's just after 10 o'clock, and we packed up our campsite, packed up the bike, so we're gonna take on the rest of the ride and see if we can find some water along the way, because we don't have a filter with us for some reason, and water here sucks, and we boiled a bunch off the river, but we ran out of fuel for the stove. So hopefully we have enough water for the day.
So we popped into Sheep River campground because we really wanted some drinking water, since we obviously didn't really have any, couldn't boil any anymore. And we did. We found some drinking water at a filling station. And we've got like 25K to go, but it's all downhill. We just had a snack. It's sunny.
We have like 50K to go, just 25 of it is downhill.
Oh shit, okay, we got 50K to go. Really?
Yeah.
Alright. I feel like we have 30K to go. 30K, and it's all downhill. And life's good.
When she calls, I'll come to her. 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 I had a dream. I had a dream last night. Shaking like a soldier in my shoes. I had a dream. You were a laser light.
Long right, the perfect time.
Burning down the city in my blues. I owe
Can't remember which way.
it all to you. I owe it all to you. I do. I owe it all to you.
And then after that I got sick, very sick.